Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. So I'm going to show you two methods to factory hard reset it. First I'll show you through the settings really quickly, and then I'm going to show you with the buttons with the phone powered off. So first off, through the settings, all you got to do is in the settings, scroll all the way down to where it says General Management. And then here you're going to see that it's going to say Reset towards the bottom. Hit that. And then you're going to select Factory Data Reset. Here it's just letting you know that everything in the phone will be erased back to its factory condition. So if you can back up your data and there's some info on there that you want to keep, go ahead and make sure that you do back it up because everything will be erased. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset, and then go ahead and hit delete all. And then once you hit that delete all button, the reset process begins, and then you're gonna have to wait a few seconds, maybe a few minutes, for it to be complete. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and power the phone off now and show you the other way of doing the hard reset. Okay, so for this method of the hard reset, all you're gonna have to do is with the phone powered off, you're gonna go ahead and hold volume up, the home button, and the power button. So you're gonna hold all three of them. You're gonna see the Samsung logo, just continue to hold them. Once you see the Android, you let go of all three buttons. Alright, so once it takes you to this screen right here that says no command, you're gonna hit volume up. Okay, and then it's going to take you here to the Android recovery screen. This is where we're going to do the hard reset. So we're going to scroll down here with the power button to wipe data, factory reset. And then here we're just going to hit the power button to confirm. And then here we're going to scroll down to yes, and then hit the power button. It says data wipe complete. There we go. So now we're just going to hit the power button to reboot the phone. And the reset process has been done. Now we just have to wait for the phone to completely reboot. And there we go. After a few seconds or maybe a few minutes, the phone will reboot, and it should appear in this screen right here, which is the initial setup of the phone. So as you can tell, the phone has been completely reset back to its factory condition. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like, and I will see you guys around in the next video. Peace.